Alright guys, we just got done with one really bad gust, but as you can see, there's our little flag right there. And that poor thing is not taking a break. I'll keep an eye on it and see if it survives the night. You can see get past the glare, you can see my wind chimes are all dancing. So when the wind's not blowing, it's actually not that bad. But that wind hits and it just sucks every bit of heat. That was a rompers. My grumpy old man. See what I mean? Even my super heavy one, my owl, is... Oh, alright guys, I love y'all. I'm cold.